A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like and leave a comment and we could get straight up in this. Alright, so we have a story here. And the story it cause one heated debate. It make woman come in the box and start cussing one another. So we put out the disclaimer there. Further down in the show. But you know star, what a show. Anyway guys, like the video. Thumbs it up. And make we get straight in it. Make we listen.
People are foreign, not now go and for them and the people them who they want a foreign, no want them. So guess what them do now? Them take up themselves go to Jamaica. And them no want nobody at Jamaica with careers. They don't want nobody at Jamaica with businesses. You know who they want? They want them when have nothing go on because those individuals are more easier to control. Right? Those individuals are available to them to sit on our phone and chat 24/7. So they're easy to control them and manipulate them. Right? Now they take them up from Jamaica come foreign now. The first thing them do, them show them in them face. So, oh, Jamaica is a third world country, America is a first world country, and if I never fit them, the opportunity would not be here. So whatever they say or do, you have to comply. Right? If me wrong, tell me say me wrong. Alright, we keep it going now. So now you find yourself being verbally abused, physically abused. And if you say anything, call police or call USCIS. But because you want the opportunity so bad, now you're willing to withstand the behavior. But how long? So when me advise everybody, if you get a visa and come and foreign and see who them a come take up now, come see how them a live, you not ready for class and chastise me. Because when you come and I want to get the disgusting treatment, we feel sorry for you, know. But me feel sorry for you, know. But at the end of the day, I don't want to rush into something that you don't know what you're going into. I don't want it. You understand? Because I look at it, we say the same way when we look at work, we want to make sure so we salary right, the benefits right, the hours right. I want to make sure we want to make sure so we not work weekends because we want to go to a friend them. Why you not do the same process when you look for somebody foreign? And for the parents, them know, I want to ask them a question. When you hear say no picking say them be abused or foreign, you tell them to stand in it because it's an opportunity. But if they were in Jamaica, we would not do that. We would have tell them to come at them blood clot yard. Sorry for the bad word. Right? So me want to know if the opportunity worth the treatment. I would like to know that. Because at some point, we have to take accountability for ourselves, you know. Because sometimes we never do the research we're supposed to do. If we reach where we reach. But anyways, like me say, some of them women are bitter. And some of them women will prey upon Jamaican men. And some of them men will prey on Jamaican women. Because we caring, we love cook, we love clean, we love this, we love hardworking. We are all these things. And they will prey on that just for ill treat you. Okay? I mean, I just said Jamaica, the whole Caribbean. Okay? Anyways, be safe. No one I do. Get a visa, well, Uncle, but no one I do. I'm not wrong if you dep on the video call and tell the woman to show you her place. Show you how she live. Show you her care. Because woman keep care and see, you know. Ask them.
So we are going to retro one video. Some of you might see it, but we just retro it just for you to understand where the conversation in the box are going to dictate. And big up the single people who will come on further down in the show. Alright, so here what the ladies they say. So this is a perfect example with the video where we are going to remix and retro back. Alright? We could listen. Like the video, guys. I need 2,000 like. We could listen. Good drive and listen.
Really, I'm calling you because I know part of what happened to me. I take some of the responsibility for it. But 2017, I went back to Jamaica after being away for 25 years. So I was up here in Canada. I'm married once. I have 5 children, a set of twins, 3 boys and 2 girls.
5?
Anyways, my sister was down in Jamaica and my mother was telling me, go on down and get some vacation because you haven't gone nowhere for how long. So I go down there, my sister was staying with her man at the house and close to it, long story, when I was about to leave, I only stayed a week. And I guess my sister's man must have knew someone, one of his friends, and then he introduced me to him. And we started talking a little bit, and after that, he gave me his phone number, and he's like, I know you're not going to call me. And I didn't want no one. I really didn't. So I came up, and I was just going through some stuff when I came back up to Canada. And
Can I get some shares, guys, please?
I ended up calling him. Didn't get through to him. So then I guess his phone was off, and then he ended up calling me back the following day. And then we just started talking from there. We just hit it off, like really, really good.
Thank you.
And we talk to each other sometimes 3-4 times for the day. Even though I'm at work, talk in the morning, we talk on my break, on my lunch. As soon as work done, we start talking. This went on for like a good 7 months.
Wow.
That's just how me and him were talking. But before the 7 months was done, I visited him twice in Jamaica. The meet and greet came up about 4 months after we started talking, and then after we met again after that. The first meet and greet went very well. The second one went very well. After the second one, I noticed something was wrong, and I said, what's the matter? And he told me that he used to date this woman. She was married, and but the husband was in a foreign. I don't remember which foreign he said. I think it was the U.S. And so he was doing some stuff around the house for them, and then they ended up intimate. And he didn't know until after he left there. I think is when she had a baby. She said she had a baby. The baby was his. So this is when he's telling me that they broke it off. I said, oh. So he goes, yeah, I have a child.
What?
So I said, well, it was before we met, so I can't say anything, you know? You didn't know that she had a baby, so how am I gonna, I can't fault you for that. Anyways, moving forward, it was like, the second time I went down there, it was December, which was my birthday. And then we got engaged that day.
Wow.
Yeah.
Engaged.
I was madly in love with him, and I mean the way he was treating me, he seemed like he loved me.
How long did it take to engage? About 5, 6, 7 months?
It was I would say more close, about 8 months.
8 months. And I proposed to you?
I think it was a mutual thing. It's just what we were discussing at the time. So we just ended up engaged. I brought down the ring.
Oh, you brought down the ring.
I just to see how it was going to go. And then I gave him a ring, and I put a ring on my finger.
You're right.
But we didn't get married right away.
This sounds like a sheep.
Our engagement, we got married the following year, which was in August. So altogether, we were together for a while before we married. It was I would say a little year and a half. Anyways, during that period of time when he was down there, he was saying that the little house that he lived in, it's on a captured land. Mind you now, I don't even know what that is because I came up to Canada when I was young, right? And he explained it to me, and then he was saying he'd like to build another house so that when me and him come down, we don't have to stay in an Airbnb.
Me mama.
So I said, that's a good idea.
Yes.
Mind you now, I didn't really have that money, right?
Shares,
so
guys,
I borrowed the money from the bank, and altogether it was like about $40,000.
What?
About 30,000, sorry. 30,000. And we built up the land, we built up the house. It was turned into a 1-bedroom house.
Yeah.
30,000 Canadian?
And, yeah.
Oh, 30,000 Canadian, okay.
Canadian, yeah. So we did a 1-bedroom house. And him and his mother never really got along.
Cold water.
Me and his mother was okay, but every time, one time I went down and we were staying at the Airbnb, and then he made his family come over, and I kind of got upset because I'm like going, this is supposed to be our time. Not that I didn't mind, but it's just that he made that one day into like 3 days, and I'm like going, you know, this is supposed to be our time together, not me, you, and your parents. We can visit them and come back to our house. It was his mom, his niece, his sister. It was a lot. Anyways, moving forward, after we married, it was a small little wedding. His sister cooked and stuff like that. So it was a small little wedding, which that's all we wanted. Because we didn't tell nobody we were marrying or anything like that, just the immediate family. And so when I came back up, I put in for the papers. He got you in 9 months. So when he got you and come up here, he was saying he didn't want to come up right away. So I said, why? I said, Mary, I want to come up because he said when he come up, he's going to start helping me pay back the money. Right? Because I got him a job before he came up here. I knew somebody somewhere, and as soon as he came up, a week later, he started to work.
Oh, baby.
And I have, out of my 5 kids, I had one daughter. She was I think she was 28 at the time, but me and her don't really, I don't know. You know, sometimes if you have more than one kid, there's you and one of them don't, for some reason, you can't agree.
Can't agree, right, yeah.
Yeah. And I'm like going, she's a grown woman anyways, you know what I mean? 28 years old, right? She got kicked out of her house, her and her daughter, and then I made them come here. Even though I didn't really want them come here, because me and her get along better apart.
Big up kissing.
When we're under the same roof, we quarrel a lot. But because she got kicked out, my ex-husband said, oh, just let her come there. She's your daughter. So I'm like, oh, Jesus. All right. So she came in, and she came in with so much stuff. It was crazy. I even had some of her stuff in storage and some at the house, but still, it was a lot of stuff. And when my husband came up, she and him just didn't agree. One day she was my granddaughter was in the bathroom, and she was just knocking down the bathroom door. It was like about 12 o'clock in the night. So he said, stop acting a fool. She ran upstairs. Where you call me pick me a fool for? Where you call me pick me a fool for? Where you call me that? So I said, he didn't say she was a fool. He just said, stop acting a fool. And right there, that's where everything started. She started talking a whole bunch of nonsense. I make you go back down faster than you come up. And then, she just started her nonsense. She said, oh, you're taking sides. I said, I'm not taking sides, but the whole point of it is you're in my house. You need to respect me in my house. This is my husband, right? You need to show some respect. You don't have to like him. You understand? But you're under the same roof. But she was crazy. I was talking to my friend go, is her talking to you like that? She started telling my husband, I'm a HORE.
Wow.
My husband said, I wish you have against you. I said, she don't have nothing against me because this is one child. None of my children could tell me so I have man in my house. I know some stay. You understand?
Wow.
The only man that ever live in my house is my first husband and him. I don't make man stay in my house. That's some stay. So, eventually I said, you know what, you're going to have to leave. You're going to have to leave.
Tell the daughter.
Yeah, I'm telling her she have to leave because she's out of bounds. You know what I mean? But even before all of this happened, my ex-husband always talked to him, baby mother, right? And now as I say, what are you always talking to her for? Like, you talk to her too much. Like, he'll go in my car and talk to her. Why can't you talk to her in the house? Why do you have to go in the car to talk to her?
Go outside in a car.
Yeah.
So like you have something.
And you know, when he came up here about 3 months after he come up, he went back down.
Oh, he went back down. You come down with him? You come down with him?
Huh?
Did you come with him?
No. He said this, I'm going to do something, I'll come back. So while he called me down there, I think something happened to the phone, and all I heard him talking for a whole hour. Him and the baby mother talk. So I'm like, okay, something fishy there stuff. You understand? And I miss out so much of this stuff talking to you. When my daughter was here, my husband slept in my car during the winter time. He literally, for 3 months, my husband was sleeping in my car when it's snowing outside.
Why are you sleeping in your car?
I have no idea. I had to come back in the bed.
So something to start that. He does get up so I don't want to sleep in your bed?
Because him and my daughter.
Oh, so when your daughter can't agree and he say he can't turn in the house with her. So he does sleep in her.
Right.
So
He
if
just
you
go and sleep
if
in
you
her.
tell your daughter to leave, what's stopping her from leave? You tell me, say you tell her to leave. So you know, can't call police if she left.
I did. I ended up calling the police and they came and got her. And they just basically
So
told her,
basically,
your mom said you have to
your
leave.
daughter take 3 months to leave after you tell her to leave.
No, I'm just saying, like, the time that he was sleeping in the car, this was the drawing board, right? But after I kept telling him to come in, he didn't. So eventually, it was even to a point we went to my mother and slept on the ground because he did not want to stay there. If I was going to work, huh?
You don't want to stay with your daughter there because your daughter disrespectful.
No.
Yeah.
No. So honestly, the whole thing just stressed me out. And one day I said to him, even it was coming up to the time that we were supposed to, our 1 year anniversary from when this man, I said, let's just go away somewhere and just rekindle our love. Nobody not going away with you. You know what I mean? Because if you're in a Jamaica, the beat it to you soft.
Why? So what you do to him so make him say that to you? Something alright, man. What you do?
No, I am telling you, I did not do nothing to this man. Even to the day.
Hold on there, man. Something alright. The man asleep in a car and now I'm coming in the house. And then the man will look on you and say, if a Jamaica, you then beat it till it's soft. Something is missing.
He says the only reason he left was because of my daughter, because me and him get along very well.
So when does so mother does get up and beat her like a dog? If they're at Jamaica?
I'm telling you, nobody ever believes me unless you're sitting in here. I didn't do this man nothing. And I know some people in the comments might say something, but I didn't do him nothing. 2 years after he left me, this was through COVID. Because my mother got along very well. And even when he talked to my mother, I'm there sitting there with him talking to my mother. My mother always like saying, try and work it out. Because he knows I treat him very, very well. And like I said, he's on the phone talking to people, family in England. And the family in England is just, he's there telling them stuff. I said, why are you telling him that it's not true? Why are you lying to them? Even he had an elder back home in Jamaica he was talking to. And me, I know the elder too.
So when
and we were talking
to...
Huh?
What is he telling them?
Top of his screen, guys, 20,000 likes, please.
No, he told them about the whole thing that happened here. And the elder said, go back in the house, go sleep with your wife. Why you have nice warm bed and you're outside and sleep in a car? The daughter lived down in a basement. If you see her, you just walk past her. Right?
Then suppose the daughter threaten him. Suppose the daughter threaten him, say, she call police for him because he want this to her or so. Remember, a man can't...
That is a day. Listen, may I play this story? But, I saw no comment. But, you hear what she said? The man to live in her house said, yeah, there's no way a man will live in her house with a woman in Canada when I like him. If a man and woman at hot water, she can just easily call police one day and say, hey, you look at me one way and do this and do that. I Canada that. So maybe that's why a man is sleeping in a car. No comment, guys.
I would have defended him because him not stay so.
But maybe I want to go through there.
And maybe my use style if you go in a car and talk to a woman at night time. Can go to tell the woman, say, yo, you don't love the woman and I go on, way. One of the things, guys, I communicate. So what need back?
Yeah, he wouldn't have done that. And because when he talked to the elder back home, the elder said to him, when he talked to the elder, I called the elder later on, and when the elder told me what he told me, the elder said, "You don't tell me all of this up, but I feel like something missing out of the story." Right? So when we tell the elder my version, he goes, "All right, no, that sounds like something, the little pieces that were missing, you fill them in." I said, "I know he wouldn't tell you the whole truth, because that's not how he is. It's all about him. He has a little bit of narcissism in him. So he'll just always say everything about him and not thinking about the other person. You know what I mean?" So, like I said, one day I came home from work and the man gone. Pick up his stuff, the man gone.
What find me in a car? Oh. Must be in a
No,
car.
no. At this point, he did come back in because when I kicked my daughter, he came back in.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wanna hear that, guys? So that this Miss Wamina said, she said, when she kick out her daughter and come back in, so maybe somebody did tell him, say, yo, be careful, a woman them in Canada, she might tell lie on you. So tell me one thing, now you move back in. So all of the speculation when I did that, I could continue listening to get juicy.
My daughter didn't hate me. She said, "Me choose man over her." I said, "I didn't choose man over you, I just chose my mental health over you."
And another thing, there's no way a growing child, I go come tell him mother say you choose man over her. Rubbish. Let me reach certain age. Me are 60. And me have my woman and my son at 35. He's not supposed to have give me problem in my marriage. Me I be honest. Pitney are pitney and big people are big people. I can go and go live in one life and love me and my woman. Me enjoy my pum pum. We continue to listen.
Because you did not know how to, even if you didn't like my husband, shut him out. Right? If me and him are going to break up, I want me and him to break up because of something me or he did, not because of something you did. So I came home and he took all of his stuff and left. I don't even know where he went to because I'm like going, who do you know here? 2.5 years after he left, after 6 months after he left, I filed for divorce because I didn't hear from him, nothing.
What?
So I filed for a divorce. It was an easy divorce because we didn't have any children together.
Him left to us.
And
6 months?
2.5 years he came back. He called me. He called me and he said, he did get any mail here. So I said, you have a couple of mails here. And he goes, the really thing I wanted to ask you, are we still married? I said, no. Why? He said, because, he got in trouble with this girl and she had bring him a court. So I said, I'm the wrong person to ask to help you,
With this girl?
Because you threatened me before you left. Why, if I went in front of the judge, I'd have said, no, he threatened me. I'm the wrong person you called to do that. You know what I mean? But like I said, he left me with all this. I'm still paying back the debt up until this day.
What type of debt? $30,000 debt.
The $30,000.
You know, so when you talk and you tell me, say, you spend 30,000, you hear me on my mind, no? Better say I borrow the lady, I borrow money. Better say I borrow, she borrow money. Yeah.
Borrow it.
Of course, I'm not going to honest and talk. No woman will come out here flash and spend for a man. Then borrow money and live in our debts. Yeah.
That's one thing you can tell him.
No, Edit Gorilla, Damien, you stop replay these stories over YouTube. No, it's not a matter of stop replay. May I try to understand the question? You stop replay these stories over YouTube. No, I have them over there said where. And if people come with story, I put them over there. But I have to change up the thing sometime, alright? If I that you ask me.
I'm not one of those women that buy him up one, but no, that wasn't me. And the thing is that even when he left me with his phone bill, his cell phone bill, $300 me have to pay for it. Yeah. And now the same house that we built in Jamaica, he's actually...
Oh, somebody asked if me replay them over YouTube. Okay, if I that you ask, yes. Say if you miss it here so you can hear it, okay? Yeah.
Video of him. He added another bedroom, living room, kitchen to it. So I said,
Part of capture land.
Yeah, so he said he knows somebody that would be able to make it his. I guess he talked to the right people, then he wouldn't be considered capture land anymore. So I said, fine. I said, just give me back the money I put in it and you can have the house. But when you come down, you can stay in it. I said, why would I want to stay in a house? I don't want it. I said, just give me back the money I put in it. If you have to pay me little by little, do that.
Fair enough.
Huh?
Fair enough.
And he has not even $100 and give me.
Jesus.
He hasn't put back any money. I met him at the subway station beside me because he said he wanted his letters that was here. So I went to meet him. Here looking at me, touching up my face. I said, I would pull your hand out of my window right now because if I drive off, you're going to come with the car.
Oh, God.
Because right now, I am not the best person to try a friend up.
Wow.
You understand? I said, I did a lot for you. I spent a lot of money on you. When his father died when he was young and left him land, and he said he needed some money for the other piece of the land, and I gave him about $5,000 for that. So there's a lot of money, because I'm thinking this is gonna be mine and his. Do you understand? But that was my fault.
Oh, God.
Like I said, I was in a relationship for a long time, and I'm a person who will sit for all 3-4 years and then not take a man, so I stay. You understand?
So, why good man then can't get woman like you?
You know what? I'm not saying there's some good men in Jamaica. I'm not gonna lie. I just happen to have chose the wrong one.
Everybody I choose the wrong one,
So question, then I
Yeah,
want man in Canada.
I've dated plenty of men up here in Canada.
Plenty?
But if you don't, all of them are Jamaicans.
Oh, okay.
So why it not work out with them?
I dated one white man already. I went out, he brought me out on dinner and came back. But when I like how he just, he just, he must smoke so much and he make good money, just a cough and I say, Understand? But I love...
ladies, they will come tell me story. Look how Canada big. Why we not always pick up somebody from Jamaica? The people, they do no bad. But we couldn't have to feel, say, we're not going to find a nice Jamaican man. When so much man there in Canada. Although you say they plenty man in Canada.
I have dated a few of them. I have. It didn't work out either.
Oh, okay.
But up until today, they're calling me back, so they want me back.
They want
you know what it is? They got old and nobody want them now. So they might run come back to me. But I said, I don't want you, because I said, when I let you go, that's it. When I go back, I go forward.
So how old was this guy?
He was young. That was my problem. He was like...
I bet my money saw a younger guy come choose.
Yeah, he was 28.
What?
And I was 52.
Yeah, 52, right. So, wow.
I was 51 at the time, actually, but yeah.
Right, so you see the difference?
You see 58, hold on, 28 and 51. So that would have be what? 23. That are 23 years different. Oh, but somebody said, me dear. Yeah, my friend. I see you send one request. You come like you don't want to wait till the story done, but you want to talk. What go on? Talk.
I knew there was something to it. Like, what do you think a 20-odd-year-old man is going to do with you, baby? He's going to want to have children or something. Like, come on. You deliberately wanted to give this man your money. And she didn't want to do it. And then want to go and bar like, oh, the world's against me, everybody's against me. No, you did that. And that's what you didn't want.
So, what you say now, at her age, only thing she could have used to try captivate the man and get him. You know,
Get her money, yes. That's all she could do. But she know. You hear, she said she's dated many. She knows. She knows. She knew exactly what she was doing. All of them know exactly what they're doing. Them pick up these young men and trick themselves because them feel they have low self-esteem, etc. And them don't know how to enjoy them own company. Or them want big bamboo. Let's just go there because that's also a thing. We have to say what the facts is. Women like them things too, just like how man like them things. Woman like them things too. So the woman want big strong bamboo. She don't want an old bamboo for go broke pan her.
So that's why your daughter did upset because maybe your daughter said she and him I said age, kiss me
If you don't
neck.
mind, Shabba daughter was getting some too. Them too messy, man. Is she on
Damn.
the call still? I really wanted her to be in the box.
No, it's a
Because
pre-record. It's a pre-record. Something record already. I know it's a
I
pre-record.
she me the one address. Come here tell the woman to call CV man TVG and go down on her knee and ask him for married and done.
No, he married her already.
Okay.
Yeah, it's story. Maybe you're not catching first part. She
Me
married him
not
in
be
a
too
9 months.
harsh, girl child. Come on.
And as she
We
buy
need to
the
stop
ring,
the foolishness.
as she bring down the ring them from Canada.
You see all of them something there, and then them one can give man bad name. I'm not saying, listen, the man see a chance and the man take it. She could have been mother. She want bamboo, she get that and more.
Of course, me see one woman come on and now show no pity to the next woman, just spit it out and
And you
bring it
know,
on.
it's funny because I consider myself an advisor who works with girls. But listen now, I've sense to like, this no make no sense. Men know what they want from the minute, from the first day a man knows what he wants. That is why men are designed to lead, because a man them know what them a do. If you allow a man to play a game with you, he gonna play that game, girl.
Oh.
He might go play
Gorilla.
the game.
Yeah, blessed.
Yeah, blessings, Wagwan, yeah.
Hey, quick thing, but for the last 2 or 3 videos them where you play upon YouTube, me not really hear the story, me just hear the discussion part them still, you know. You understand?
Oh, so you mean, so what
Yeah,
happened
so
now,
me mean.
some of the story them, they record like maybe months or maybe year, but me always can play them back so people can learn and listen what woman I go through and man I go through. So sometimes we just start a conversation on it, but you know people listen to it already, me just start the conversation based on a topic like woman will come down and do this or a man will get used by vice versa. You know what type of thing. So now people always
Okay,
want to come in a discussion box. But we tell them so all over TikTok, we do it. You know? So people no
yeah.
go and come in my box now, address the girl. Shout out like you know, but
Okay.
it done gone already.
Yeah, me understand. But me listen that story a while ago with that lady, and the part when she said she have dated plenty man, it's like that part they kinda make me have a question to ask. Why is it that she can't really actually keep a man? Something must wrong why she can't keep a man. Because
No man cannot be kept. There's no man in
no
this
man can
world. What me say? Me say
no man
listen now.
yeah.
Edit.
Yeah.
No man cannot
Yeah.
be kept. A man goes and does what he wants to do. Any woman who thinks that she can keep a man should just get tricked. No man cannot be
Serious?
kept.
So
A
why
man has no.
So why them married?
no, don't say that. Don't say
No
that.
man
I'm tell her
can
myself,
keep.
say don't say that.
You know, hear me say not
Listen me now,
there.
listen me now. Listen me now. Me and me meet my lady when me at 20, 21, right? And me and my wife, they've 15 years now, and still going strong. So don't say
That's
no man can
because
keep.
you
Yeah.
choose
So,
to. You choose to
Yeah,
no, it's
because
good
not
man.
about
you love
choose
that
to.
woman.
It's
You
not
can't
because
You
keep
have
man, man. You
to
have good man
do
out
that.
there. Don't make it look so bad. Might
no
be your
man out there, no.
experience, but good man out
But the
there.
thing is,
And no,
yes, a
hold on,
couple of,
guys. I'm not
yeah,
saying that there are
yeah,
no good men out there. There are
yeah,
absolutely good men out there. What I'm saying is, any
yes.
woman who thinks that anything she does is what keeps a man should just get tricked.
Yeah, no, you
A
talk.
man, a
No,
man
yeah,
will stay. A man will stay with a woman who treats him like shit.
And
And
good too.
she ain't doing nothing to keep that man. That man is only staying because he wants to be there. The problem is
But
that
we,
enough man show
not
the woman
necessarily,
them
not
say them
necessary,
no one
not
dead
necessary.
and them still at all on same way.
but
Let me
with
tell you
this a
something.
story,
Let me
as
tell you
she
something.
want keep
You
the
see,
man,
yes,
as she want man, you know. Cause she
yeah,
carry
she
down the
want man.
ring. You imagine
Them
them, you're the
joke
man that
man.
the fear here, you bring down the ring for give man.
And then
She
she's not
does,
Exactly.
allowing the man.
You force pan way,
yeah.
you force something pan
She
when the man no want.
she's also not allowing
And
the
the same
man to
thing
be
where,
a man.
yeah, the same thing as Stacey said, I would she want, she get
And that alone
it.
show her.
And what I mean, before you get his chance, she have to marry that one, yeah. That one and nah left. So to make sure bring the ring. And know that she get wood and man. She build
Yeah.
house. In
But
You
space
see
of
all
time,
those
oh
were
you
rotted, that's true enough. You
yeah,
see
oh
all
you
those were
exactly.
you know
rotted.
I say, oh you build house so quick. Like, you
Yeah.
never hear 3 years in a relationship or year a month.
Exactly.
No, let
Yes,
me
and
tell you
she
something.
was
Let me
acting
show you
like
something. Let me show you something,
she's
boss. Let me show you
innocent. That
something.
is right.
Let me show you something. Let me see. Let
Hold
me
on,
see for me see.
one at a time, one at a time. Hold on, one
All
at a
right.
time. One at a time, one at a time, one at a time, one at a time.
All right.
Let me get Clayton and then we make a point.
Somebody
Clayton,
echo. Somebody echo. Somebody echo.
make a point.
Somebody
Clayton,
echo. Somebody echo. Somebody
Go
echo.
on, mix up, man.
me there.
Go on, DJ.
Me there, man. You talk about the
You hear me?
story. Yeah. Me there, man. You talk about the story. Yeah.
I want the topic. Me just jump on, I miss the topic.
All right.
I just get out of work.
Then now we can take on that one. I will pay explanation. Then now we can take on that one. I will pay explanation.
Me know me hear them a talk about good man or it's this or that. Good man they are road, but I just say go.
Yeah. All right. Now link you back here. Echo.
I think I
All right.
echo too.
No,
All right. We
him
can
just
talk
echo
now.
because him other. Yeah. Edit.
I probably
Talk.
a
And then
film
add
thing,
somebody.
man. For him come on, everybody a echo.
Yeah, me realize. Edit. Where is that now?
All right. So me I say no. Me I show you a vibe. Me show you realize in most females. And likewise man too. You see sometime in a life, when they're young, then say them a trace, where I say no, success. And yes, when they reach certain part in their life and realize their life and run out upon them, they eventually start grab until they grab the wrong person. And then they try to force. You understand?
Yeah.
Because me actually know persons where that happen to. But them still a try to live the life because they must say, oh, they must say God. You get what me I say? But at the end of the day, this lady must have do something wrong why she can't keep a man.
That's true. You are talking, brother. You know, so you make a point. She have 5 kids. She married before, and she said she talked to a
And
couple
so much
guys
good
in
day, man.
Canada.
You don't hear that part. Yes.
Yeah, man, a 5 fitness she
Yeah,
have,
and
man.
then she said she got you, she meet
She married
multiple
already.
man. Yeah,
And the
and
daughter call her whore. And
all
Read
because
right.
too
she
much
said something,
mills
something,
and bulls.
Alright,
something not
I,
right.
Read
I
too
look
much
at that,
love
but
story.
look at it to Stacey.
Something alright. Something alright.
Here where she say she don't carry too much man in her yard, but yes, still you been with multiple man. So how your daughter can say you're
Multiple
whore?
man.
You see that you see how that calculate? Your daughter say
Listen,
you're
them.
whore, but you say you not bring too much man in your yard. So how she can just utter that out her mouth? And most
Aye.
something
Come
where
out.
you've been doing, you do more than one man you bring there. But show your husband that you just
Exactly.
probably say, yo, I just my husband and them 2 man they alone come on my yard. But
Because
oh, your
because
daughter can
remember
say
saying
a
no.
word.
Yeah, remember saying
But
no, you
remember
see
Hold
saying,
a
on,
lot
hold
of
on there. I could get
females.
Barbara. I could get
You see
Barbara.
them do some things and then
listen,
Hold
yeah,
on.
let me
Okay.
tell you something. You see when woman have grown pitney, woman and man have grown pitney, and them that them yard, because I've seen that happen to several women. The pitney go on like them want live them mother life, and the mother can't tell them who to talk to and who not for them with. But when the ball turn around in a different space, that guy could have really did love that woman as much as him younger than her, because you have on the both side woman who love older man, and you have young guy who like older woman. So on the both side, but maybe her attitude always turn off the man them what she there with, because some woman they are very miserable in a them house. And when you see that guy, I don't think it was 100% the daughter. Maybe going there and living with her, he must decide where him never know. Because some women are very terrible to live with.
And this is it, and Barbara. I always tell the guys them this. I'm gonna say it again. I'm wanting to listen, everybody over here. I'm even not talking at some people favor, but I just the truth. When you now go married one lady, Zid, now begging you in the name of Jesus. Find out who then live with first. So once you live with a grown child, you're going to have problem.
problem.
Yes,
Serious problem,
As me
man.
tell you now, me see the
yes, you're
stories them
going to.
about once they live with a growing child, whether boy pitney
Yep,
or girl pitney, you're going to have problem.
Problem.
yep,
You
True.
better the pitney them
That's
smaller when
possible.
you can goon
Yeah,
them
when them
or
small, I
whatever,
better feel than when
yeah,
them
they're gonna
big
have
dog.
problem. Take it.
I'm gonna be
Sometimes
No,
real
they
but
go
difficult.
against
Enough
you.
man go through that.
Yeah,
no,
sometimes
no,
you can't
no.
raise a voice in a house. It come
Yeah.
like a them are the man or them are the woman. It is
But
not nice.
but
Okay?
not only that, Damien. Me tell you something. You have some man, you see, because them a look your mother, them feel like say them fi come in and be your father. You understand? Or they want come man up in a house. Even though you can deal with a woman who have a big picnic and everything go good, As long
No,
as
you
they
can't do
Me
respect
not
each
that.
gonna
other,
live with no woman. Listen up. Me not gonna live with no
No, me
woman in
not
my
say if you do
building.
it, me just show you say it is possible because,
Is it
but guess what?
possible, you
Some
know?
man do, some man just want to with some woman and through them meet you man, and then hold that done the woman picnic then feel like say them are the picnic father, so then feel like they can go in there go talk and behave any kind of way. You understand that way? There?
No,
Well,
but
we
we
not
have to
talk about that
understand if
situation.
somebody is growing, they're not gonna
Yeah,
take that off on a man. So I'm gonna think the man are going
exactly.
at them bright. Well, I know. But I think the
Yeah,
man are going at them bright right mind to go in a woman out and try dictate to a growing ass kids.
yeah. No, man, yeah, people we do it, man. Yeah, fit tell
Yeah,
you the
man,
truth.
I
Cause
do it, man,
me
mix
listen one
up.
story, me listen one story you bring already something similar
That
to
is a
that.
brave man.
No, me listen one
Yeah,
story
man,
where you bring something similar
let
to
them
that.
boss up, and the boss up, pick
Well,
them,
and
man.
the Papa Ray, the last man, missing do that. A crocus bag enclosed come out, and I saw the pack up
I
it.
I see him think me just I got talk about wait that I see him and me just I see you bring
And I
where
said,
the
do
Yes,
woman
there.
without the
you
man.
see it? So it happened.
And
It
guess how
happened
I pack
both
up the
ways.
clothes
It
then? Guess
happened.
how I pack up the clothes then? His son.
Pitney.
You see on.
I mean, if I get too bright,
but as me I say still, as I say you have a point still. If if woman have big picnic, then say I go yard. If you have your space where you can accommodate she, you might as well make she come and know say oh. You
yeah,
understand?
or
Una
you
do
take a
nothing
while
and
and build a relationship with them
because me I
before
show
you
you
even
something.
go in.
On a big man level, me see my mother, me reason with my mother. Me not go tell my mother say she can't take money now, but me show her a thing. Say yo, you reach to a point in the life now way. Man use you as much. So you must look within yourself and realize say yo, you're in a relationship then not work out. So if you can't find a man way, I go say a lifeline and everything possible and work out good. Just done with the man thing and go to church and turn celibate. Me not go tell her say she can't take no man or she no
But yeah,
finna
stress
take no
out the
man.
woman for all you are wicked.
No,
No, I not
man,
stress me
I'm
and stress
mad.
her.
My mother can't take no man. I'm done with
Me and my
man.
mother, me
Last
and
him,
my
no
mother.
boy can't come at that, man.
What the
No,
Oh,
I
my
don't,
mother, mix up,
me nah,
man,
you
no
no, me
know,
boy.
nah say no boy
wicked.
can't
What you
come in here, but me I
mean?
tell you, me and my mother live
What you
good,
mean? So you know
and
a woman come up
anytime
to
she
your
go through a
yard?
heartbreak,
Move if you
she
done with
don't know say
man
her
now,
picnic
man.
them a go
No,
right. You
Yes,
get
no,
what I'm
man,
still
saying?
alive. Still.
All right, Nelly, him have smart and have business minded. If him not already in business, he should definitely be along that path because I'm into that. I like,
What age guy you look for?
huh?
What age guy you
Oh,
seeking?
preferably, I'm 46, so preferably somebody older than me.
For like 50 up?
Yeah, like 46 up. Yeah.
Okay. You're in a position where you can show yourself on video or you can't now?
Yeah, I can. I'm in my bed.
Okay, wow. Finally, we get one brave woman over here. I know find one of this. Come on, then go off with them say, no. So, I send a request to accept it.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. You're so beautiful. Oh, my God. I'm blushing. Oh, my God.
Whatever, man.
Ooh, wow. Oh, my God. Look
Whatever.
at my eyes, them. Look at my eyes, them. Oh, my
Yeah, here
God.
now. In my bed.
Wow. Oh, yeah, the America or Canada?
No, I'm in Jamaica. I'm there. I'm yard. I'm in Jamaica.
Yeah, Jamaica and sweet, so. No, you know them sweet woman there, Jamaica.
But you are your bright and facey.
Sorry, Pierre, check your DM when you're done. The month I'm gonna
No,
go in
listen, I
later.
don't want a man on my DM. First of all, I'm really 100% about my job. I'm a financial advisor and I work with women primarily, especially around emotional trauma, around money. So the amount of women I speak to every day who have similar experience, and that's why it pissed me off so much because I'm so over it. Similar experiences, take loan for man, do all kind of things for man, build man, and then left with debt.
Oh, God.
It has to stop. So I don't talk to men about business because I find that men approach money differently. Men are more about investments and I'm more about stable wealth building. So I don't talk to men for business. But yeah.
So, all right, so the guy can, you would want him from Jamaica or anywhere in Ireland come from, you just get a chance once him have the qualities then we have.
Yeah, he has to love kids. I have 2 children.
Yeah, what age?
They are 11 and 7.
11 and 7. Okay.
Girl and a boy.
Which parish you live, my friend?
I'm in Kingston.
Kingston. Okay. He's a flight man from Norman Manley to your yard. That not hard. Yeah.
I hear
Right.
you.
Okay. All right. So you put it out there. So if nobody want you do, leave your number and give me a number in my DM. So if nobody reach out, me can add them, give them a number, and then you and them can talk. If I get a match, if I get a match, I work with it. If not, you just wait.
Hey, I'm not lying, no, men's scary. I must tell the truth. Men are very scary. So
Oh yourself, man. I may have balance this. Me doing this 2 years. May I do this? So
I'm not
let's
so
work
sure
with
about
them.
that. Cause between me, I'm afraid of man. Me not lie.
Mix up, boss.
What? Nobody afraid of them. Yes, me G.
Where you go with, man?
Me there I do a dating show. What up to?
But when you say you link me, I know me no hear for you.
Me no want to talk about that. Me never did bad. Me did
Give me-
change your mind, yeah, man. So me just know.
So you're not telling me. Say,
Yeah.
Okay,
you see
la.
one pretty girl, give me that one of them now.
And this me tell you now all the while. You
Yo.
can't just it's a gear like say. Me I go tell
property.
take her, see her there. And that's
Like me
some
want
man
a
thing going on.
property.
You think I want shop this for you buy
I
one
know
bread
what
and
it
just say,
is. I'm out of it.
give me her now. I don't mean if you tell, see her there.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Go, that's where I work with him. Stay, my queer with myself, really. Well, right, yeah.
How you doing? Looking very gorgeous.
Looking very well. How she look?
My dear, rose gold and a choo-choo. Like him then just about to drop out. I don't know.
What you say? How she look, my G?
Very gorgeous.
And what else?
Want to be our friend, yes?
What kind of friend? Just friend or bedroom friend?
Hey!
Look, I might have want to be our husband, but then two of them say we have to be friends first.
Yeah,
That
man.
work?
So me start
Hold
finding
on.
way.
That work? That work?
Yes, man. Yeah, man. We get. I
How
don't
much money a year you
We
make?
just get to work, I know.
How much money you make a fee year? 1 year, how much money you pull down?
Come again.
How much money you pull down for 1 year?
What one? 2.5.
What kind of car you drive? What kind of car you drive?
No, me can't drive. No, me can't burn up. You don't know that 2 man. You know, so me can't burn up, and me have to start all over again. I me see one. You know.
I need a man. No, girl, that man is dangerous. I don't know about that. 2.5 million is what I made in bonus when I'm not working so hard, honey. I'm sorry.
So me have to go make 2.5 billion then.
You know, if you reach $1 billion, just improve a million status to if I even 20.
So I money I go make we have a happy relationship or a way.
Money make every relationship happy. Without money, a stress and problem.
That is it, Damien. That is it.
That you?
Mr. Wacky said no good woman do and there again. Oh share my love. I saw me feel to no good I'm sorry. I won't say that.
Why queen just sell out some money that we can't find a queen and then not talk about money. I like
money
queen
make the
them
world
to
go
money
round
and
vanity.
vanity.
Money make the world go round. What you think you go find? Eh?
Huh?
You talk to a woman now, you think she dey on phone for a reason?
So me I say for money I go be the issue make we can't get a woman. That the first thing. Well, you know so we can't have no woman because all we are poor people.
Not all of we look man have their money, man.
Say that. Claim
Man
that
about 4 or 5 women.
All we are poor people, master. Cause the rich man, them the money when me about really rich, billions them talk about. Them talk about billions them talk about. So
All right, Dennis, big up yourself if no lady interested. Ladies, we have a man I make 2.5, DM him, I reach out to him. All right? I'm going to continue. Big up yourself. All right.
Oh my God. Good man hard to find. Blah blah blah. Exactly, right? Talk for himself.
Yeah. I don't know what my talk say. Because I don't agree with them I say. Listen, if a man I take up a woman, a man must bring something to the table. Because remember, man is a natural provider.
Should be, except the one that want to move going to woman house and make woman pay them bills. Them they want different kind of man. And mostly them man that out there nowadays the one them have one little different something underneath them. Them not have balls again, them have something else. Because on the balls them have again. And the truth may I talk though, that is exactly what is out there.
Okay, then.
But that's a fact. That's a fact, so sweetheart. I'm not telling no lie. I eat that.
Stacey, I hope you're not picky with the man, the man, and just the pan. Because sometimes some man, when them have it going on, them not really.
Them have balls. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if my kind of guy out there. I love intelligent men. Like I love. I'm not I'm not physically like that's not the thing for me, and I guess that's the thing for most women. It's not about physical. It's about mental and that kind of stuff. So you have to be somebody who is smart, who can hold a good conversation, and that is so rare. Like people don't know if to talk about different stuff anymore, you know?
Somebody just text me on my phone who have my number. Then say if you travel, you have a visa?
Of course, I have my visa. Yeah, I travel, but I'm not necessarily like I don't have a Canadian. I'm trying to go to Canada this summer. So I'm gonna be.
Oh, so you can go US if you want then, right? If you meet a guy from US and you want him to talk and you want to fly over for your weekend, that good. You up to that?
I would make a do with my picture them, sir.
You know, make your mother or somebody stay with them,
No, I don't have anybody to stay with my kids. I don't. That's why I don't date, cause my mom.
Hi, good evening, Stacey. I got something to say to you
Yes,
because I feel like MIXUP now, I'll be honest with you. I understand you're 46-year-old, you have 2 kids, you have to be practical. I know you say you don't want a birth man, but you have to be practical.
Me
The
never
man,
say me don't want
the
a
man,
broke man. Whole of
yeah, because the man I make wow. Me understand
fast.
Jamaican money, but based on the 2.5 million when I say when I calculate that in the US, which me not really understand, me
Me
off,
don't
it's
want
something
no
like probably
who,
about 25,000,
baby.
right?
Me never tell
Yearly.
you say me don't want no broke man. Me never said that, you know. And Mr. Man said that. I never said
Right,
that.
right. But what I'm saying is this, right? The caliber man that you're looking for, they probably not gonna want you.
That's
And
okay.
Damien, now be frank, because let me
And
tell you the
that's
truth.
fine. That's
You have
fine.
2 kids. Number one, they're gonna look at you. You have a kid that's 7, you have a kid that's 11. Even
Uh-huh.
though you're making the money, you're not gonna be submissive to them. You're not gonna do what they want.
That's not
You
true
have too
either.
you have
That's
too
not
much
true
for
either.
them. They're gonna say you have too much baggage and too much back trauma, stress. So they're not
I
gonna look
do.
at you. Those caliber men that you're looking for want women that are single,
Okay.
women that have nice physiques. Looking at you,
Okay.
you look like you're kind of up on the chubby side. And you, them, the caliber man we are look for now want you. I'm just to be frank. And this is what I Damien, me not try to shut you down, but just to be real.
What
Wow.
you mean, Damien? Well, on the melly, you mean me not say the lady or what? She does a talk what she wants, so me can't say Damien
Because we all
because
as women can say we want this, we want that, we want that. But when we look at the man
Can
that's
say though,
that's in
hold
like in
on.
a high caliber, like making money. When I say high
Hold
caliber,
on.
like 200,000 or whatever thousand, because it seems like that's the range you're making. Those type of men are high class man. And what am I look for is woman like
Wow.
that. Yeah, I'm being real because I have friends like that, and I talk to them daily, and that's what they want. They don't want a woman. Oh, I gotta find a babysitter. No, they don't have time for that. They want somebody who could go on a yacht next week. We on a yacht.
oh,
We can go have a glass of champagne in the city today at a high class restaurant. That's what they want. They don't want to hear I got no. So you will not be on their league,
Wow.
personally.
okay, so you're saying
Okay.
based on what she said, she have to stay with the kids. Them not gonna sign up for that.
Because
Basically.
okay, a man that's making $200,000 a year, be realistic. You think that they're gonna have time to listen to? Oh, I gotta find a babysitter. Oh, I gotta
Wow.
find that. They don't have time for that. They want to know. Okay, baby, let's go to Miami or let's go on a private jet to go to Paris for a day or 2 or a week. That's how they roll. They don't want to hear. That's why they're more gravitate to like not more like younger girls who career goals who are more like ready to go and all that stuff. Pack a bag. Okay, I'll meet you at the airport in 5. That's what they want.
Wow.
You
So
understand?
hold
They
on.
want
First
women
of
that have
all,
nice physiques, that are slender
but you
and all
don't know
that stuff.
anything about my body,
Well, let me
my
pray for
love.
you.
Me, I look for you right now.
But all you're seeing is just my face, sweetheart. I mean, well, the way you come up with all of this, zzz. First of all, I never tell you someone I want a broke man. Because what a man has in terms of finances is not what's important to me, because I know what I bring to the table. Any man
No,
me they would
but technically, it seems like you. It
we
seems
are
like
not,
Nelly,
we're not
hold on,
sweetheart,
Nelly, let's talk on
sweetheart,
there.
sweetheart. You come and you jump in and you go and say, allow me for talk. Right? Any man me they would offer me money because it's not about him, it's about what I bring to the table, okay? As a woman. That's number one. Number two, whenever all I said I wanted was a man who is intelligent and who can have a conversation. If that is too much to ask, well, goddamn, I don't mind being single then. If having a conversation, because that is the only thing I said, I want a man with a mind who can have a conversation. That's all I said. But you know, come tell me, say, man, not gonna want me become this and me that and me that. Excuse me?
there's a difference. I didn't say no man is going to want you. You
No,
don't
but girl,
do not
no,
misread me. What
girl,
me I say is the caliber
girl,
man.
I'm trying to be very calm and nice today, but me think
No, what me
way
I
out of the
say,
park.
minister, me
You're
not
way
try
out
to
of the park.
degrade
Like
you.
where you
What
come
me I
from?
say, what me I
You're not
say is
easy.
right, miss. Yeah, miss what me I say. Yeah, nah, listen exactly
No,
what me I
are
say.
you
Me
out
nah
of
try for
order,
put you
girl?
down. When me I
All
say the
I
caliber
said,
man where you
all I
look
said was
for,
I want a
nah
man
go
who
look
is
for you.
intelligent.
And we
A
as
man who is intelligent.
okay.
That's all I
All
said,
right.
Like really?
Okay.
So, so expect a man who is
Okay, the
intelligent.
man that came up on the live just now, he said he make 20 something. I don't know what that money that is, 2.5 million. I don't know what it is.
The man, what type of woman them want and what type them no want. See Melly that show herself. Yes, Melly, talk. Melly, you're
Mel,
mute.
your
We
body
not
look
hear
good
you.
though. Don't
Tell
it,
us we
babe?
not hear
Even
you.
I myself would not be in that league to get that caliber man with me and you want we make that big salary. Even I look at me, even I myself.
No,
Because,
but hold on. Me
right?
never tell you
But
say
me,
me
I try
want
to
a
tell you
man,
something.
but me never tell you say me no me want a man where earn about money, I am not that girl, sweetheart. So I don't know how you assume that I am.
What may I
Me
say?
make my own money. Any man me
I'm
there with fee money I have to make too, because I'm gonna look for ways to make money. That's why I said I like men who are business minded. Because if you don't already have a business, honey, a part of the deliverable of a relationship for me is that we have to have a business, because fuck alone can't do it.
me
Conversation
not
alone can't do it. How much money are we gonna make together?
I'm a not say
That's
you're
my number
supposed to
one.
be with somebody when now have money. That's not what I'm saying. I'm not saying none of that to you. What I'm saying is just that. Like, for example, let me tell you something. If I should get divorced tomorrow morning, let me give you an example of the man that I'm looking for. If I should get divorced tomorrow morning, the man that I'm looking for, he has to be making at least 200,000 a
Well,
year.
I'm not
Right. Well,
interested in
I'm
that.
just giving you an example. So I'm saying, right, 200,000 a year. He has to have house, car, and he has to have something going for himself. Because I don't want no broke man. Right.
That's not
So
me, darling.
I know, but
No
I'm
man,
just
she have
Nobody
tell
is
you
saying.
what
checking
she.
I
on
mean, I tell
me.
you what me would I want
Listen,
for me
listen
to
what
get
she has said.
divorced
She just
tomorrow
have tell about
morning.
she.
So I'm
Yeah.
saying those kind of man, I would to get those type of man who works on Wall Street and have their own businesses and have those money and their life. When me you want to go on a yacht and can walk out of Hermes and buy me a Hermes bag without looking back or stressing. That's the type of man I would want. So I'm saying to get that type of man, I have to work on myself. Meaning, reduce this, boobies here, get a little, and have that nice physique. Work on myself to get that caliber
Girl,
man
do you know what
and
my
also have
ideal
something
life
for
is?
myself going as well
My,
because they're not looking our way.
So
And that's
Nelly, you
what a
my
don't
lot
think
of
so
us
ideal
that is
life
a
is
form
for
of
misconstrue.
so Nelly, you don't think so that is a form of low self-esteem, like
It's
you're
not a
downgrade
form
yourself.
of low self, and this is
Winona.
the reality of the real world that we're living
Winona.
in. An
Hold
high
on,
caliber
hold
man
on.
is not going to take up a woman. I have one child. He's going to look at most of the money when I make big
Girl, stop
money. You think
speaking
them want
about
women who have
yourself like
baggage?
that.
When your
Stop
breast them
speaking about
sag
yourself
and
like
them I
that.
look at you and see a
Of
next man pass
course.
through you are girl.
No,
You,
you need to. I'm so sorry to hear you
I can't
speaking
relate
like
to
this,
you. I can't
honestly.
relate to you.
But hold on.
Okay, go
My
ahead.
ideal life, I tell the truth, I want to go a country, go live in a bush barefoot. Me no want a Hermes, me no want a yacht. A bush, me want a river.
Well, but
And plant my own a tree and grow my own a chicken and my own a egg. Me no know where you talk about. We have to stop. Come on this shit
Miss, may I
and
tell you about
project
the
your
real
lifestyle
world
and
and
take
the
it. But
reality that
no,
we're
you
living
came
in?
on the
It
conversation
do-
and you jump at me.
But I'm trying to tell you because hearing your voice, listen, hearing, you see, you're talking. That's the difference. You talk, but you don't understand what you talk. Say.
Girl.
And when you
Girl.
talk, I listen to exactly what you're saying. But before I even came on the live, because first of all, he asked you
Girl.
what you wanted. You highlighted that. Him asked you what kind, and everything what you say. Obviously, you're not gonna find it, yes, sir.
I don't know what
And if
you're
you
talking
do,
about. I have
if
them. Girl, I don't know what you're talking about. You
okay.
are so
You
wrong.
have them. You probably have them sexually, but you don't have the. You don't have the. You don't have them mentally.
But what you
There's a
talk about? What you
difference.
know about my
But you
life?
just
Mr.
saying that you have
Chocolate.
them, and I'm saying if you have them sexually, but not mentally. You say you're a financial advisor,
Something
but
wrong
you
with
don't
you?
talk like a financial advisor. Nothing wrong
Something
with
wrong
me,
with
honey.
you?
It's something wrong
Something
with
wrong with you?
you. Something wrong with you.
Something wrong with you, baby. Something wrong with you.
All right, we can make it even there, so I make it stay there. So, back and forth. You now go change your Stacey's prospect of life and dating is, and she now go change your one. So, Stacey have what she want, and she know what she want, and I know you know what you
I
want,
want
and
a
you.
piece of land, a country where I can grow my tree them and my pig and my fowl and me no want a Hermes bag and me no want no blood. Me cussing out that woman that pissed me off. Me not lie. Like
No,
what is
cost to
that?
that. No cost to that. That's my
Oh, she
stay. I know
out
you
of
respect
order,
me.
sir.
Yeah. But as I say, Stacey, she talk and me try to tell persons
No,
now. I
sir.
think I think maybe I talk based in America where them people them try make certain things and say you have to follow the principle there. In Jamaica, it's totally
It's
different.
so funny. Oh my
I saw it there, you
God.
understand? All right. Anybody else want to come in our box? People must say want to single show. Lord God,
No,
you can't know one
sir.
big video.
The woman jumping on my chest and tell me how me look. She know how me look. I come in have on the underwear right now. Come in a wear drawers. I mean that show your
Jesus
body.
God.
She out of order here.
You know about no.
I don't. Any hombre have on clothes me that show her. She bright. She face the
So
bad.
hold on. If you hold the camera down there, so I just be a fatness and
When
so.
a man, sure.
Jesus God in heaven. Help
No,
me.
sir, the girl that can't walk nowhere near me, no dear. No dear.
Big up
No
yourself,
dear, not
Stacey,
even
and
on
big
our
up Melody.
best day, not with our Hermes and our whatever. No dear. She crazy. She need to come to Jamaica, honestly, and get some real life. Because I'm not working a life that. I have on my dress. See that I have on a long dress. A very, very, very long dress.
I'm just, but you just have on a panty and anything.
Right,
Ooh.
right. Shut up, man. I'm so disturbed. Like, oh my
Okay.
God. Woman
All
say
right.
woman not gonna want me. My mother, what a thing me not wait for a man for want me, eh? No?
Jaja. America culture different from Jamaica culture still. I'm sure about that. Yeah, blessed. Wagwan.
Yes, big up yourself, mix up
Big
boss.
up blessed. Wagwan.
Stacey, big up yourself, girl.
No.
Big up your
Girl,
nice,
girl,
clean self, goodie. Don't make no other girl project with them a feel
that's
pan you.
exactly what happened. It is so sad to see
Bright na
you.
blood clot.
It is so make me feel sorry for her more than anything else. Like why would
Like,
you
how dare you? You can't tell another woman. I mean, never hear you say anything. And the first thing that I saw with the guy that came up, when he came up in the box, he didn't say good evening to you. He went straight to mix up boss, what's up? You understand? It's a dating show. You come up, you see the woman, greet her.
No,
You
sir.
understand? It's just about like, so it wasn't about money or whatever.
But the thing is
Even though whatever you might say that's your bonus, it don't mean nothing.
I have literally had 3 relationships in my life because I'm not do the bagga stuff now. I'm not a bagga dating neither. Because if me can't say a business with a man, me get bored. Cause I love make money. I love make money. I don't want a man give me no money because I love all heap of money. I better would say, boy, we made a good money today. But that you are give me, I don't want a man give me no money. I want to see how much money we can make together. So when the girl
Exactly. Nothing wrong with that. You're willing to try
about
with someone.
Hold on, the guy. So one
man,
man I call for Stacey. Me here, man.
me
Say, hold on.
want
One
a
listen.
man, me
Hold on,
want a
Stacey.
man.
One man I talk to you. I'm here. Yeah, what you say, me G?
Yeah, tell her say she need to give a look man a chance, man. And me live far from state. She's a nice woman and everything, but she need to give a look man a chance. No, even all the odds and whatever. If the man have him look up, feel and whatever, and then look up push And you get me? And look at grandma whatever. Because she want walking and much. She want this. She want look at water there around her and thing. Where if the man have that? It's not all about money. You see what I say?
I never said it was about money. That's what I'm saying.
Never said that.
As a matter of fact, I don't even want a man with money. May I tell you the God honest truth? Because
all right, that's good. Money, that's good. So give you what?
Them have the money. Wait now. The average man will have the money, feel like somebody can use their money and treat woman anywhere. And me is a crazy girl. You say, oh, me nice and go on, don't play with me. Don't ramp with me.
Let's see that. I look like your PS split up.
No man,
look like your old man.
No sense.
Thank you, Heather. So where you are, my boss? Where you there? You put in the application, are you good?
No, man, I'm good. Me just a listening show and I tell her. First thing, I'll be honest with you, look like a rule man differently, you know. I'm a man, no man, no ruler. I look like...
No, baby.
No, you hear me say no? Oh, yeah, talk, man. You look like a rule man. But when me say, I look a man can't have him look a lot now, whatever. You want a simple life. So, you can build with a man. You see me? Not because you have it. Maybe a man don't really have it, but a man check for you, care for you. He do pay. You get what me I say? You understand where me I come from? Him not really intelligent. You can make him turn intelligent.
No, it's very, very hard to talk to people with that.
The deal breaker.
No, man, tell us the people do learn.
The deal breaker that you have to have sense. Because how are we gonna have a business if we can't?
You know, you me answer. I never say man have no sense in that. I didn't say that. But maybe people get a proper conversation. You get me? Sometimes that do happen. Why if the man have everything else and not have that? You have to teach it. You understand?
No, the intelligence.
Oh, God, here we go. Here we go, mighty God. Yeah, brother. Is that MIXUP boss is our next? Then is this?
Yeah, next.
No. Don't get me wrong. Me not put in application now. No, I ain't glad me there, yeah? Yes, let me answer. Yeah. Me just bring my point,
yeah.
You get what I'm saying?
All right, my boss. Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah.
Cheers, look out for yourself. Bless up, yeah?
Okay, baby.
Yeah, all right. Yeah.
No,
but yeah, I'm not gonna stay up here, but I just wanted to say, girl, big up yourself. I didn't like the way she was saying, like, this kind of man not gonna want you, and you're just like her. Then she started saying you're just like her, and you're not just like her. Cause your wig look much better than the wig where she did have for night. I never like that.
I look so bad. The girl,
No, hold on, Melody, I'm a friend now. I'm a friend too. I could keep it. I don't want to have it like say.
No, but the girl don't even know my body. The girl.
No, but she started that MIXUP boss. You don't come up here and start to put down another woman and saying you chick.
Because, all right, what we have to understand, maybe Melly in our world where she see all of that, so she just share it and try make you know, say, listen, this is the reality.
That is her experience.
Yeah, so we now go there and say, who for ear, who for ear look better and who can this guy.
I'm sorry, I'm just a sick. If you go jump up and tell a next woman how them look, you feel be proper. Girl, bye.
Lady, you talk about my ear. Show your face. Cause you know this ear come from KenjaBoutique.com. Google it. The cat, Google it, honey. You know how much years I have this year? 7 years and it's still going. Show me yours. Google KenjaBoutique.com, baby girl. Okay? Then you come and talk to me.
I'm not Google nothing.
No, show your face. All and tired body, girl. Show your face.
Google nothing.
I'm
not argue with you.
No, you want to come at me, baby girl. Show your face.
MIXUP boss, put on the camera.
Me not have nothing.
Hold on, Melly. Hold on, this nice variety. Put on the camera.
I never come for this. I just go through.
Everybody, woman, show your face.
Go through.
Look on me, baby girl. Me a 41, no wrinkles, no score, none on the face and look like mine. So talk to me. Drop. Look for me,
Me
baby
send you
girl.
the video. Me send you the
41 and
video.
look at my
woman
face, no
here.
wrinkle. I want to the
We
woman,
not
yeah.
put
I know we
woman
tired about it to
here.
post though. Look, you want me to pay for this and we can go upstairs and show. You want me to pay for this and we can go upstairs and show. You want me to pay for this and we can go upstairs and show you. You want me to pay for this and we can go upstairs and show you. You want me to pay for this and we can go upstairs and show you. You want me to pay for this and we can go upstairs and show you. Big pants up a wig. We come
Me no
from Queens of the
business,
Cute.com.
girl.
I
Me
want to
don't
the
say what me
area.
say. Me
Tired
say
about
what
loving the
me
people who live in a
say. Me say what me
We
say.
support
Blessed.
woman.
Oh, see blessed.
We
Me
don't
say
fight
what
the
me
woman.
say.
Look
Me
on
No
say
tired
what
fight the
me
body and
woman
come for
right
me.
say.
now.
Look on tired body and come for
Me
me.
say what me
Tired
say,
body
baby.
tired. You should have shame for put yourself on the screen.
Why would
You
I
should
be
have shame for put
ashamed?
look
Why
on
would
your face, your body tired. And y'all come for me?
why would I be
Y'all come for
ashamed,
We
me?
support
baby?
women.
What
Why
is
are
there
we
to be
Girl,
judging?
ashamed
lady.
of?
Mix
But
up
good.
bad.
But
Eh?
Gucci.
Huh?
But you
Where
stand up
Gucci
for your
boy, yo, that
thing.
wig that terrible. I have
I
no
look
right
on
to
your
come up here for the
face.
lady.
And you know what?
You
I'm a
have
bit
no
terrible
right to
person.
come
Cause
up
look
here for
here.
the
Look,
lady,
honey, there
baby.
is no look. I can run through it. Tell her to run
So
through CR
what?
one. Look
So
on
what?
this. Babe, no nuts. Baby
Good
girl,
Good
hair.
100%.
here
Wait,
now.
baby.
Good
I want to you.
hair.
Why?
Good
There's somebody
hair,
I'm tired that I
else
wrote through
baby.
it.
here.
I'm tired that
Good
I got so.
hair.
I got
There's
so.
somebody
Canada, my
here.
day. Good hair.
The
Good hair,
tired body woman. Look
girl.
on her
Where?
face. Old and tired.
Where?
Woman, no
Party
man know why
vibe.
you call your
Where?
body done.
Me
No
a
man know
blood
why you call your
clot
body
party
done. That's
vibe.
why I come from
Where?
mix a bar to every day I come look man. Man, I
Rub
want on a
me
body
the man
done.
mix up.
And me I tell the
Me the man
truth.
mix up
I call up a
myself,
man that
man.
want
You're
a long breast
crazy,
girl with her
girl.
breast long down. No
You're
man know why you. Not
crazy.
a man
You're
wanna look for no one,
crazy.
no.
You're not ready. You're not
Are
ready,
you
mama.
ready? Look for
Bye.
you where you talk.
Bye.
Look for Minky.
Anyways,
Look for
next.
Minky.
Good
Minky
girl
Alright,
Stacy,
attack.
but
ladies.
don't say what I say
Eh?
already. Don't make no girl tell you
No,
No,
never,
nothing.
my
never.
wig, but you, baby girl, me have
Nothing.
several. This is just
We
one of
gonna
Alright.
stay
many.
good.
I want to
Girl,
the
it not
girl.
stay good.
All right,
No man
Million.
gonna stay
Blessed.
It
good.
not
You
stay
sure about
good.
that?
I
All
mean,
right,
I know you have it on me. Can you
It
take
no
off your
stay
wig and
good,
I
girl.
love we
It no
can't see the
stay
quality of
good.
your ear.
Must say what must say. Must say what must say.
It's a
And I
Go
me
on
say
with
woman.
a little
girl
$5
power.
pepper light in your
Where?
background and
Where?
come talk.
Where?
Tired body, old foot
Where?
woman.
Must
How
be
old
all
are
right.
where?
you?
All right, that's it,
Move.
ladies. I'm muting now. I'm muted to
Move.
Come
all.
to the ugly girl. Look at
Move.
her body.
Club it. Move.
Just like yourself, tired body.
I'm
The
muted
man
to all now. I'm gonna go over there, go cuss. All right, I ain't that.
Yeah, we're done now. We're finished, right?
Yeah, we don't know. We don't know. Don't let off them steam.
We're
See,
done.
moderator come.
We don't do this. We're too grown for this. We're all
Yeah.
adults We don't do here. We're this. too grown for this. This is so
Over there, I
immature
cut over here
and
and this and that
unnecessary.
and
Wig,
oh my god.
wig where somebody I make millions off of. I want to make some money off a wig. A wig more I'm gonna sell it now.
But guys, don't come to think of it. Yeah, it two person them I cut over somebody else here. We get cut over now. You need to look good
Dear,
for
a
us.
ballad, I have Come on, ballad. we're not representing That's black so terrible. older Don't women it? well. Like I all the way can't at 40 feel and it. over. Like we're gonna stop this
Hold on,
now.
they know so them hold on the ginger so they still
No,
have cuss
mute
out
them.
them.
We don't want to cuss them. Not bother with
No,
it.
but no, but it
We're
where them
not
I go.
doing it. No,
It where them
no, we're not doing
them.
that. That is so. Ugh. It's so. I don't even know why I'm here.
Why Stacy, your cause one big stir in
I
that
don't
shirt
want
there,
this
guys.
energy to be around me in 2026. This is nasty energy, man. This is broke people energy. Like, what is this?
Okay.
Ew.
Ah,
No,
okay.
no. These are teenager behavior because we no, this have is to do broke better. people energy. Yeah, Because fuck remember, I know people vote we're here. setting example for other people, other Yeah, younger cause people vote ladies. here. Like life is not about ear and things; it's Yeah, about cause who you people are as vote a person, here. who how you Oh treat my other people. god. So we're Yo, this not is doing that. crazy. Is this the how Americans do it, right? Because this is not a Jamaican thing. Like, what is It's this? not an American or any other country thing. What is It's this? just an individual thing. We need to stop. It's so nasty. No, stop. We're grown people. We can have respectable conversation without anybody disrespecting anybody.
Oh, we sound like over Rosalie them a while ago.
We're not.
God.
It is not the
I
same.
don't know if we think this.
Calm down, Melly. Calm down, Oh blessed. my. It's not that serious. Not at
Right.
all.
Listen, I am calm. I'm in a mean for this is what the show or violate nobody. But what she said was
Anyway,
not right.
To be honest with you, this is the first live I've ever been on, and I really said I'm gonna start being more active on TikTok, but this is not my kind of energy. So I'm gonna bid you guys bye. And this is crazy. I'm sorry. This is
This is
what's
not
up.
us every day. This is just us today. But apologize for whatever, however you feel right now. But this is not us every day. And we have to learn also just control with temper sometime and be respectful of other people's opinion without you can say opinion without being disrespectful. And nobody needs to come for anybody. So everybody
Okay.
needs to calm down and just build. Like it's not that serious.
Right.
Thank you,
Remember the
Dream
last time
Chaser.
we had a lady here one day and by the next day she passed away and we all felt it. Like we cannot do this. Life is too short.
Yeah, girl. Thank you.
Really.
Because if anything was to happen to any of us here, all of us will feel it. So just stop.
I just,
It's
I
not
just
that
wanted to
serious.
come and just let the sister know she was good. And yeah, I did throw a couple jabs at this Melodon. I don't have nothing personal. I just feel like women should empower each other though. And to come up in the box and said that it didn't sit well with me. And then she came back to tell me off. So, but it's all good. I don't have nothing with Melodon. Big up yourself, girl.
And
Like
Melly
I
have
said,
always have
it's
a
just
strong
like I said
opinion.
what I said.
Melly really don't
So
mean
big up
anything when she
yourself.
speak. I don't want people think that Melly have any kind of anything about her. That's how she speak all the time. We that's
Yeah.
been here for a long time, we know how Melly talk, and that's
Yeah.
just how she is. And when you get to know her, you know that she do not mean anything. She don't have any ill intent when she speaks. She just speaks passionately, and then sometimes she come off wrong, but she really don't mean anything.
Yeah, but you can't speak passionately by telling another woman she can't get a certain caliber of man. And
Well, I wasn't here for the entire of the conversation, but me personally, that's what I know of her.
okay.
Cause I come one time, all of everything already started.
Yeah, that's that's
But we're
not.
all grown and we can all have respectful conversation with each other without being disrespectful. This platform is not for that. We're not about bringing nobody down or tearing each other down. If this is a dating, remember now we're representing other females. All of us is in our 40s and up, and we're representing the show. So we cannot be over here and being ghetto and a crash out upon each other. Like we're about upliftment. Life is short.
Sounds good. Everyone have a good day. And yes, I am not on Mix Up Boss. I'm looking man every day. To them I just end up over here and all this. So anyways, y'all have a good day. I'll just be watching.
I got end the stream. I will play some. I play some game. I want to go send some gift. That's what we are gonna do. All right.
All right. Big up
Yeah.
everyone.
All right, Gene Chaser, everybody. Thank you, Gene Chaser. Thank you.